Hey guys, so this is my unboxing of the Fintie, I think that's how you pronounce it, iPhone 6 Plus case. Got it from Amazon for $5.99. I know, it's so cheap. The original price is $25.99, so if you're a Prime member, you get it for like what? $5.99. Okay, so let's check it out. Oh, made in China. Sorry. Still something right there. Okay. I don't know how strong this is, but it's hard plastic. It looks like it's gonna protect your phone, but just don't know how strong this is. I mean, looks nice. I'm just curious about this material. I don't know if it's rubber or paper. It feels like rubber. And then this part here, I wonder if it's just glued. No. And this is the brand name. We shall see if this will last. But in terms of the color, it's nice. It's very light and thin. Doesn't really add any bulk, but it's cool. If you're looking for a case to protect your phone, this is not the case for you. Definitely, it's not. So if you use this kind of case, you have to take care of your phone. Make sure that you don't drop it. So I don't know if it will protect the phone. That phone does. Okay, well, I guess that's my review for the Fintie Ultra Slim Lightweight Case Cover. I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. And I got the blue color. Again, it's on sale for $5.99. The original price is $26.99, and it comes with different colors right there.